Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to discuss a topic that is both personal and universally significant: the role of the English language in our lives. English, often regarded as a global lingua franca, holds profound importance in various aspects of modern life. I will share how English has been pivotal in my own journey, highlighting specific reasons why it is essential and how it has shaped my experiences. 1. Global communication. One of the primary reasons English is crucial to me is its role as a global medium of communication. In an increasingly interconnected world, English serves as a bridge across cultures and nations. Whether in professional settings, social interactions, or while traveling, English facilitates meaningful exchanges with people from diverse backgrounds. For instance, I have had the opportunity to participate in international conferences and collaborate on projects with colleagues from around the globe, all thanks to English. This ability to communicate effectively in English has expanded my horizons and enabled me to build valuable relationships that would have been difficult otherwise. 2. Academic and professional opportunities. English has been instrumental in shaping my academic and professional life. Many of the world's top universities and research institutions use English as the primary language of instruction. Proficiency in English has allowed me to access a wealth of resources, from academic journals to online courses, and has opened doors to educational opportunities that might otherwise be out of reach. For example, I was able to pursue higher education at an esteemed institution where English was the medium of instruction. This experience not only enriched my knowledge, but also enhanced my career prospects. In the professional realm, English proficiency is often a prerequisite for many roles and industries. Whether in business, technology, or science, English is commonly used for documentation, communication, and collaboration. My ability to communicate effectively in English has significantly contributed to my professional growth, enabling me to engage with global clients, participate in international projects, and advance in my career. 3. Access to information and technology. In today's digital age, a significant portion of information and technology content is available in English. From cutting-edge research to the latest software developments, English is the primary language in which much of this knowledge is disseminated. Having a strong command of English has allowed me to stay informed about the latest advancements and trends in my field. For instance, many technology platforms, programming languages, and online resources are predominantly in English. Understanding these resources has been crucial in keeping up with technological innovations and integrating them into my work. 4. Cultural enrichment. English also plays a significant role in cultural enrichment. The language serves as a gateway to a vast array of literature, music, film, and art from around the world. Through English, I have had the pleasure of exploring works by renowned authors, enjoying diverse genres of music, and watching influential films that have shaped global culture. This exposure to different cultural expressions has broadened my perspective and deepened my appreciation for the richness of human creativity. 5. Personal development and confidence. Mastering English has also contributed to my personal development and self-confidence. Learning a new language requires dedication and perseverance, and the process of achieving proficiency has been a rewarding challenge. As I improved my English skills, I gained greater confidence in my ability to express myself clearly and effectively. This newfound confidence has positively impacted various aspects of my life, from public speaking to social interactions. The ability to communicate in English has empowered me to participate more actively in discussions, share my ideas, and engage with others on a global scale. Networking and social connections. Networking is another area where English plays a pivotal role. Many professional and social networks operate primarily in English, and being proficient in the language has allowed me to connect with individuals and groups who share similar interests and goals. Whether through social media platforms, professional organizations, or international events, English has facilitated valuable networking opportunities that have contributed to both my personal and professional growth. 7. Economic benefits. Lastly, English proficiency can offer significant economic benefits. In many countries, English-speaking individuals often have access to better job opportunities and higher earning potential. The global nature of business means that companies value employees who can communicate effectively in English, leading to better career prospects and increased financial stability. This economic advantage has been an important factor in my own career development and overall financial well being. Conclusion. In conclusion, the English language holds a place of immense significance in my life, impacting various aspects from global communication and academic opportunities to personal development and cultural enrichment. Its role as a universal medium of communication, coupled with its importance in the professional and technological realms, underscores its value in today's world. As we continue to navigate an increasingly interconnected and diverse global landscape, proficiency in English will undoubtedly remain a crucial asset, opening doors to new opportunities and fostering meaningful connections. Thank you for your attention.